Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I will be showing you the Adventure Trail Gear ladder bag. This bag here is made in Canada and has a lot of awesome qualities to it, which I'll show you further in the video. But yeah, so this bag is intended for garbage when leaving the trail or camping, but you can also use it for anything else that you may need to store on the outside of your vehicle or just for extra space. So let's get to it. To start off, the bag is made of heavy 18-ounce PVC coated vinyl with a woven polyester inside the material. The load-bearing webbing is heavy polyester with a 4,500 pound brake strength, and the zippers are number 8 YKK coil for enhanced strength. There are two different mounting options. You can get 4 Velcro utility straps, which is what I have here, or you can get some specialty straps that have metal spring buckles on them. Here you have the main compartment. It has tons of room, and it also has 2 pull-down zippers for easy access. Next you have 2 small pockets down below. One of them I like to keep my spare garbage bags in, and the top cover folds around the pocket itself so it doesn't allow any rain or water inside. There is also one large pocket at the top that actually has quite a bit of space. I haven't put anything in here myself, but it is very useful to have. Here I have the Toyota TRD color scheme. There are quite a few different color options that you can pick from, and you can also customize the color scheme to your liking. I can't forget to mention that Adventure Trail Gear makes all their products by hand, and the attention to detail and the quality of their products are absolutely amazing. That sums it up for the ladder bag. If you guys are interested in one or any of their products, I'll put their website in the description down below. Also, please don't forget to check them out on Instagram at Adventure Trail Gear, and you can find me there also at Her Adventure Life. Please consider subscribing to my channel for further product reviews and adventure videos. And if this video was helpful to you and you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks guys, and hope you're having a great day.